Hello Instagram users! In this video, we will guide you on how to turn off read receipts on Instagram, ensuring your privacy. Follow these simple steps to disable read receipts. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Tap the three lines icon at the top right of the screen. This will open the menu options. Step 4. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 5. In the Settings menu, tap on Messages and Story Replies. Step 6. Look for the option Show Read Receipts and tap on it. Step 7. Finally, to turn off read receipts, simply toggle the switch to the off position. Congratulations! You have successfully disabled read receipts on your Instagram account, allowing you to maintain your privacy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.